warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. So I was just about heading out when I did receive this package here that came from Latmap. They are an Amazon seller that reached out to me to send me a free product in exchange for my honest review. And you guys know Nike will always say yes. I do not say no. So real quick guys, before I step out of the house, let us do this review. I am dressed for the occasion, going real quick to my friend to help my friend out. Tomorrow is her son's 1-year-old birthday party. I gotta be there to help, you know now. So real quick guys, let's open this package together. Let's do the unboxing together and let's see what the product is looking like. I'd already seen a picture. They sent it to me, but we don't know what it looks like physically. So let's go ahead. Wow, it's really well wrapped. And on the bag it says this bag is not a toy on this particular one. So those of you that have kids like me that are always adventurous or even smaller than me, please keep this away from them. These are dangerous. They actually suffocate kids to death. So this is it guys. It came in a dust bag. Let's go ahead and take it out. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay. Oh wow, this is the strap. It's a sling bag. This is the strap. You guys see that? And then it has different pockets. This is perfect for traveling. It has the first zipper here. It has Latmap written on it. Latmap. So they are a brand apparently from what I'm saying. Then it has the second zipper. Let us see what the second zipper is looking like. Oh wow, it's spacious. So this is the second zipper. Wow, this is so good. I love the quality of the leather, to be honest with you guys. The quality of the leather is giving, like it's giving quality, because you guys know how this was. This is how it came. And look at it. There is no sign of wear and tear on the leather because the leather that was used was original. I can even feel it. It is authentic. Just quote me if I'm wrong. Look at it now. Look at it. And then this is the third zipper. And then the third zipper is this big with another zipper compartment right here. Wow, this is so cool, guys. This is cool. I'll be using this when I'm traveling, forget. And then we do have little compartments here for quick dipping in. Just put in there. I love this bag already, guys. I haven't even finished putting it together and I already love the bag. Now let's go. Oh my god, look at this, guys. At the back it has another zipper. Oh my days, guys. Oh my god, this is so cool. So if you don't feel safe with your items in here, you can as well just do this once it's been hooked. Once it's been hooked, you just have it here and you know that your item is safe in here. This is the flex, guys. This is the flex right here. Do you see this? Oh my god, I didn't expect it. I never expected it. So now, depending on you, some people are lefties, some people are righties. It depends on where you're gonna be hooking this. So for me, I don't know, anyone works for me. I really don't care. And then, oh yeah, it has an adjuster too. So if you want to adjust it, but I think I like it tight. I don't think I want to even adjust anything. I think I like the way it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just strap this on. Oh, I think I did it wrongly. No, I didn't. This way is cool. So I can either hold it this way or I can strap it on the other end. Let's try this, guys. Let's try this. Let's try this. This way. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. You can also have it this way. You guys see that? This way. This is so cool, guys. You can have it sideways, this way. Oh my god, this bag is so cool, guys. See, it even matches what I'm putting on today. Like, I so love it. I really do love it. Oh guys, and that's not all. Hold on, let me put you in. Now, aside from these two here that you can hook it to, I kind of feel like it should also be able to go this way. Of course, why is this here? And then you just hold it this way. So if you're not in the mood, you could just easily hold it this way. You guys see that? Oh my days, guys, this bag is so beautiful. You know the good thing about this bag is it's available on Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll drop the link in the description for you guys to check it out. Please and please, if you are a traveler like myself, or you're someone that has little kiddos like myself, and you always, you know, you don't like to carry so much big bags. Like, see, this is the last bag that I reviewed on my channel. No, you just don't want to be carrying your expensive bag all around. Go ahead. They have different colors. You know what? Let's check this out together, guys. Let's go to Amazon together. Let's check it out on Amazon.
2 hours later.
And this is where you can find the Sling bag. This is where you can find the Sling bag. I will be dropping the link in the description. You guys should go check them out and buy it, and it's affordable. Look guys, you don't even have to break the bank to have a Sling bag. Like, this Sling bag is slinging. It is given, okay? So this is what their website is, their site on Amazon is looking like. And the bag is not expensive. It's very affordable. It's for $27.99. They have 26 other colors and patterns. Let's click on this that says 26 other colors and patterns, okay? So they have white, they have black, they have different patterns, 2 different mixed colors, they have brown, they have army. Oh my god, I didn't see this army. Oh my god, this gray is so beautiful. Not army, this gray is so cute, guys. Do you guys see that? I don't know if it looks like gray in the camera. It might look like purple to you guys, but this is gray. Oh my gosh, I love this gray. If I had seen this, I would have, oh my god, oh my days, oh my gosh. They have beautiful colors, guys, and it's all the same price. You know how sometimes some Amazon sellers have different prices for different colors? This isn't like that. This is just the same price. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to call this. This is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. How come I never saw this? Do you guys see this? It's like peachish pink, you know, kind of nice color. So I will go ahead and I will be dropping the link in the description. You guys should go check them out. And the good thing is you can also strap it on your body this way. So do you guys see this? Oh my gosh, guys, and look at me now, look at me, the bag is giving. So real quick, guys, let's quickly check what can go inside this bag. I have so many things. Might not be many to you guys, but let's start. In fact, let's start with the big zip here. Let's see what it can take. You know, if they're making mad that they are putting plenty kidney for us, let's test it out. So let's start. What's my bag? So here I do have my one and only wallets. In there it goes, and then I do have my phone. Oh, I do have my second phone. Oh my gosh, guys. And now this is in the first compartment too. In the second compartment here, I do have my jotter. Oh my gosh, jeez. And then because I am going to help my friend out, I want to document. I do have my extra camera here. This is my Sony camera. You know what? I'll put my accessories in this tiny one here. I can even put my key there. When I get there, I can put my key here. But for the sake of this video, I will be putting this in here. Now, all 3 compartments. If I want to put something here, my extra camera, it can go in here as well. Do you guys see that? Your girl is ready to go. I am taking this bag with me today. I am using it today. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and check out Latmap. They have different colors, different varieties to pick from. They have different patterns that will suit you. The bag is not expensive. It's just $27, okay? And they are on Prime too, so it comes with fast shipping. So if you're preparing to take a trip, this is the best sling bag you can use. I'm not saying this because Latmap sent this back to me free, but guys, I am tripping on this bag. Do you guys get me? I am feeling the bag. So real quick guys, let me do a walk through for you guys to see what I'm gonna be looking like when I go out today. Okay, so let me just put my camera here so you guys can see me. This is how I am dressed. I have my sneakers on, looking like I'm going on a trip. In it, take this away from me. So do you guys see this? I have my sneakers on, and then this is how I'm going to my friend's place now to go help out. All right guys, if you have been watching this my video up until this very end, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Are you looking for a sling bag to buy? Go ahead and click the link in my description. I have it there for you. Make sure you use my code as well, okay baby? Okay guys. So if you've been watching me up until this very moment, you guys are amazing. Thanks so much for all the love and the support. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video like this. Ciao, bye.